Hello and welcome to the Sounds of Praise Radio.com. I'm the owner and operator, your host, DJ Brother Rob, introducing to you something for music lovers of all ages, the Sounds of Praise Radio.com, playing continuous gospel and jazz from your greatest hits in gospel music, contemporary Christian music, and classic gospel, all the way to the hits of jazz, classic jazz, contemporary jazz, and our favorite smooth jazz. Once again, for music lovers of all ages, 24 hours a day, the Sounds of Praise Radio.com. You can also download our mobile app on any mobile device on SOP Radio. That's one word, SOP Radio. Once again, the Sounds of Praise Radio.com, and the praise is PRAZE.com.